Hello, my name is Diego Fernando Cárdenas. I am 29 years old. I live in the municipality of Chaparral, Tolima. I am single. I am currently a student of industrial engineering at the National University. I like to play sport, especially microfootball, and go to the gym. I love to dance and play the guitar. I know it's not very good. I hope to improve. I am currently working as the health coordinator in the Civil Humanitarian Development NGO. My English friend Catherine came to visit my country for the first time. I cannot visit your bring fresh and light clothes. My city has temperate climate. It's a small city and the people are friendly, cheerful and very humble. Our typical meals are the sucking pig and the tamal. You will surely like Catherine. We can go to swim to the tourist drone and then when you return to Inglaterra, you say you love Chaparral. Thank you.